To me, between me and you, I feel.
Oh, you ain't no me, confident. Oh, you don't like me, confident.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a hair video featuring period cute hair. They sent me like 3 bundles to do a hairstyle with. So if y'all wanna see what hairstyle I did, make sure y'all stay tuned. So y'all, they sent me 3 bundles. They sent me a 16-inch, a 18-inch, and a 20-inch. And y'all, I'ma just say this: the hair was so soft. Look at it, it's just bouncy, and it wasn't no shedding or nothing like that. Um, like yeah, just get into it. Like the hair was good, and it's still good now to this day. Like make sure y'all go get y'all some hair. And it's from Amazon, so y'all know it's gonna ship. And if they don't ship, y'all can get y'all money back. So, yeah. So I just put like 5 braids in my head. They don't have to be super tight or nothing like that. You could just like braid them down where they secure, no hair sticking out, and yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. To me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does what you do.
So now I'm just getting some edges out. I'm trying to make sure that I don't get too much, cause I don't want the edges to be like too much, you know. So I'm just taking some of it out, and I'm making sure that I still have some flat iron and stuff like that. So yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Say no one else knows what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Oh, y'all, I let my mama sew the back in for me because I was on a time frame and a time limit, and yeah, so I let my mama sew that in for me, and now I'm just gonna put the ponytail in, so stay tuned.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, and everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
So now, y'all, I'm just putting the tracks in to make my bang. And when I put the tracks in, I don't put a lot of glue because I don't want a lot of glue on my head. So I just put a little bit on there, and then I blow dry it, and then I stick it to my hair. And don't put it on your edges. Put it on your ponytail hair, okay? Because if you put it on your edges, baby, when you take that glue out, when you snatch that track out, you're going to take your edges out. So just make sure you don't put too much glue on there, and then like when you finna take it out, just get some conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and then just put it on there to soften the glue up, and then yeah, take it out. So yeah.
All day long, your love is one in a million. Give all day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Oh yeah, it was kind of hard doing this swoop, so I did it off camera. And y'all get into my edges because baby, yeah, I slayed those. Y'all know I did. Stop playing with me. Anyways, y'all, my scalp, the back of my head was hurting so bad. My mama had sewed my hair in too tight. I don't know what she did, but I was so mad, y'all. So if y'all see a little angry face, yeah, that's why. But I was good after the cold wind hit my scalp or whatever, and I took some pills, some pain pills. Yeah. So, yeah.
Inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, and everything you do do. It's me, love, everything about you.